Top 5 Best Belt Sander for Woodworking. Number 5. Triton TA1200BS Belt Sander. Triton's TA1200BS Belt Sander is a high-performance machine designed for those who need both versatility and precision. With a powerful 10-amp motor, it removes material quickly and efficiently. One of its best features is its variable speed control, allowing users to adjust speed based on the task, ensuring a smooth finish. This sander is perfect for intricate work, thanks to its small diameter front roller that allows sanding in tight, confined areas. Belt tracking adjustments ensure the belt stays aligned during use, while the side dust port keeps the workspace clean by connecting to a dust bag or vacuum system. Triton goes the extra mile in offering a sander that is highly adaptable. It can be mounted using the included inversion clamps, providing a stable setup for hands-free operation. Whether used as a handheld sander or bench-mounted, this model offers plenty of control, thanks to features like a removable bail handle and lock-on button for continuous use. It's designed for both professionals and hobbyists who demand reliability and ease of use in their sanding tasks. Coming in number 4. Bucktool Direct Drive Bench Belt Sander. For those looking for a stationary belt sander, the Bucktool Direct Drive Bench Belt Sander is a compelling option. Its 3/4 horsepower motor delivers consistent performance, driving the belt at 3,450 RPM for fast and efficient material removal. The belt itself is 4 by 36 inches, with an 80 grit abrasive, offering plenty of versatility in both horizontal and vertical positions. One of the key features of this sander is its disc sanding capability, with an 8-inch disc that's ideal for fine-tuning wood projects. A cast aluminum worktable can be tilted from 0 to 45 degrees, allowing users to handle various angles and precision tasks with ease. The addition of a miter gauge ensures accurate angle sanding, and the sturdy construction minimizes vibrations. Maintenance is another strong point. This sander doesn't require frequent adjustments, thanks to its beltless, gear-free design. Dust collection ports ensure a cleaner workspace, making it suitable for both professional and hobbyist workshops. Coming in number 3. Metabo HPT Belt Sander. Metabo HPT offers a highly durable belt sander with the SB8 V2 model, designed for tough sanding tasks. Its powerful 9-amp motor provides up to 1,020 watts of sanding power, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty jobs. The variable speed dial located at the base of the handle gives users control over the speed, allowing for precise sanding depending on the material and job requirements. One unique feature is its clear front cover, which improves visibility when sanding up against a surface, allowing users to see what they're working on more clearly. This makes it a favorite among professionals who need precision and attention to detail. Additionally, the Metabo HPT comes with an efficient dust collection system, ensuring cleaner work areas. The left side mounted dust bag is positioned to improve corner sanding and minimizes airborne particles. With its flush surface design and 5-year limited warranty, this sander is a reliable tool for professionals who value performance and longevity. Coming in number 2. Dewalt DCW220B 20 volts Max Belt Sander. Dewalt brings cordless convenience to woodworking with its DCW220B 20 volt Max Belt Sander. Ideal for remodelers, carpenters, and general contractors, this tool is designed with the pro user in mind. It offers speed control via a variable speed trigger and lock-on button, which allows you to select the appropriate speed, across 25 increments, for the job. The brushless motor improves efficiency, offering extended runtime on a single charge. With a 3 by 21-inch platen, this model is great for larger surface sanding tasks. The tool-free dust chute, compatible with Dewalt's airlock system or standard dust extractors, ensures a dust-free workspace. One of its standout features is the over-mold auxiliary handle, which provides better grip and control, especially during detailed applications. Quick belt changes are enabled by the tool's easy release system, and the overall cordless design gives it a flexibility that few competitors can match. Paired with Dewalt's wireless tool control system, it integrates seamlessly with dust management systems, creating a cleaner and safer working environment. Coming in number 1. Makita 9903 Belt Sander. Makita 9903 Belt Sander stands out as a powerhouse tool, perfect for woodworkers and general contractors alike. With its 3 by 21-inch belt, it offers a combination of robust power and quiet operation. The 8.8-amp motor ensures rapid material removal while maintaining a steady speed, thanks to its electronic speed control. Users can adjust the speed from 690 to 1,440 feet per minute depending on the task at hand. Noise can be a major drawback in belt sanders, but the Makita 9903 keeps it minimal at only 84 decibel, making it one of the quietest models available. Its auto-tracking belt system eliminates the need for manual belt adjustments, further simplifying operation. A front grip allows for better control, and the extended base facilitates flush sanding against walls, perfect for those tricky corners and edges. A 16.4-foot cord gives the sander excellent range of motion, while the efficient dust collection system keeps your workspace cleaner. With its low profile, ergonomic design, and optional sanding shoe for precision, the Makita 9903 is an excellent choice for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts.